Okay, this is a ship's clock that I found at my parents' place. I remember it from when I was young. And I want it in my future boat, at least, but possibly this one. I got it home, I lubricated it, it's running, but there is a small problem. It strikes correctly. However, it has a tendency to do a single stroke up there. And then it goes correctly again up here. And I suspect that the 10-2 stroke is just when it's reloading for the next stroke period. And I think the hammer is just too close to the bell. So I'm going to try and fix that. Okay, so this is a Wempe Chronometerwerke from Hamburg. We need to, why not take some rope to protect the glass? Perfect. So we need to get in here. I think this will be enough. This is loose anyway. Yeah, wow, maybe not. Maybe not. Let's take the whole thing off. Okay, so there's the hammer. And I had to move it to get it to strike because it was too far out, so it didn't strike at all. And I think I moved it a bit too far in, so it actually hits here when it reloads, but let's check that out. So first we will have proper strikes. That's fine. And now we'll see what happens 10-2. Yeah, it drops down to be ready for the next one, and it actually hits the bell. So I think I need to move this a few millimeters up, and that should do the trick, I hope. It's a bit, actually. That's interesting. It's a bit loose. Will it be able to strike it all now? Let's see. Nope. That's too far away. This is a bit fiddly. This is not German quality, is it? Because this could go further out. Let's try that. So now it should strike properly. That's fine. And I want this not to sound. Perfect. Maybe I fixed it. Just to be sure, I will tighten the screw, this position. I will try it. Eight glasses. One, and there should be nothing here now. Perfect. 2 glasses. Okay, that was a quick fix. It's good that not all projects takes a long time. This took only minutes, and there we go. And I'll put this back. I actually have some double-sided tape here to hold it because I had to drill away the rivets that held it before. That's enough. When it's screwed to the wall, that's fine. Okay, there we go. So the standard, try it again and see if it still works. I would assume it does. And we should have nothing here. Good. There we go. Perfect.